In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a wallet to CoinStats. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to sign into your account, and then you want to go to Portfolio Tracker top left, and you want to click on Connect where it says More over here on the right. Now, from here, you have a bunch of different platforms, wallets, and stuff like that, so you have to select which wallet you would like to connect. Now, of course, some of these are going to be easier and quicker than others. Now, we have like MetaMask, Phantom, Trust Wallet, Rabby. These are basically the wallets you usually are going to be using. So with these, you can just go ahead and click on them, and if you have the extension installed like I do for most of these, as you can see over here, you'll be able to simply press the connect button and it's going to automatically connect your wallet just like this. It's going to start loading. Usually it's very quick, and then of course your portfolio is going to be synced with your wallet. So that's the first way you can do this. Now after you've done that, as you can see, here's my portfolio. You could go to top left here, click on your wallet and go to connect portfolio, and you can add another wallet as well. So here I have, for example, the MetaMask. I'm going to click on this one, and it's also automatically going to start connecting because I do have the extension installed. Just make sure you actually are basically signed into your wallet with your password, okay? If you're not, you're going to be prompted to actually do that first, and you can also assign wallets to basically allow them to sign you into your account. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to connect it. There we go. And then you also have a bunch of different ones. So here, of course, these wallets, that's how they work, but you also have different exchanges. So for example, if you want to do it on like Coinbase, you can connect Coinbase as well, but you're going to have to click on here and click on connect, and this is going to open up a separate tab where you basically will have to just essentially sign into your Coinbase account like this, as you can see, with your email and password, or of course with Google passkey, whatever you're using, and you'll be able to add your wallet that way. You also have these options with a bunch of different other exchanges. So if I go over here, if I were to go for Binance, for example, as you can see, they have like a specific API sync over here on the right. You'll have the option to basically see how to get these two APIs, so the API keys and API secret, and you can see over here on the right, just follow the instructions, put them in here, and you'll be good to go. You'll be able to press connect and connect it, or you could also like import as a CSV. This is also possible with most of these wallets, and yeah, that's basically how you do it. So you just keep on clicking on connect portfolio and then selecting whichever one you want. Let's try another one as well over here. For example, if I wanted to connect like Bybit, I can also click on that. Again, they do have an API key. For every single platform, it's going to be a bit different, the way of getting the API key and secret. So just follow the instructions over here on the right and you'll be good to go. So that's basically how to add wallets. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.